Hey everybody, my name is Hunter Van Houten with Van Houten Guitars, and I thought I'd do a fun little experiment today. Here I have two identical guitars that I just finished. One is in Nitro and one is in acrylic lacquer, and I wanted to see if we could tell any tonal differences between them. These are both Paulownia bodies, rosewood fretboards, maple necks. These Paulownia bodies came from the same stock of wood. They're really porous and lightweight wood if you're not familiar with them. They're commonly used to make surfboards. Same electronics, same identical electronics, same pickups. I dropped in some Lambertone Blondie telecaster pickups. And custom vintage cloth wiring as well. And the only differences between these two guitars are really going to be aesthetic. The necks are the most important part to point out. That's just a little different aesthetically. This is a darker rosewood than this. These are not from the same stock. They may be a little bit different density. This is a ice blue metallic Nitrocellulose lacquer, which is basically a solvent-based finish comprised of different plant materials and nitric and sulfuric acid. This is more of what guitars were finished with up until about the early 1970s. It's a great finish. It chips very easily, never fully really cures, but that's where you can get the nice relic look from. It's got a really nice feel to it as well. This is an acrylic based lacquer finish, and it's a water based lacquer, but it's formulated to mimic nitro. It's also a thin skin finish, as you can tell. You can see the grain on this. I did use grain filler on the nitro, but I did not use grain filler on this. So let's get to testing. Diddle-a-dee-da-doo. So I hope you guys liked this video and found it useful. Please feel free to leave me any comments in the section below, and I'll try to answer your questions. You be the judge and tell me what you think. This is a fun little experiment. It's probably going to surprise me after I upload it and listen to it through headphones. Do me a favor and go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Would love for you to follow along, and yeah, enjoy.